Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video is the monthly Disney collab hosted by Jamie Brumfield, and I did miss out on July's and I was super sad about it. And my original idea in July was going to be Finding Nemo, so I thought about doing it for August, which actually kind of works out for Shark Week because I really want to do Destiny, even though they speak whale. This is actually my second attempt doing this video. First time I was trying to do Dory on the side, and I didn't realize how difficult Dory actually was. So I'm thinking of trying out Hank instead, the cute little octopus with 3 hearts, just to see if that will work out a little bit better. And to create this look, I'm going to be using my Be Perfect Cosmetics Stacey Marie Carnival 1 palette. I have Carnival 3 on its way. I'm super excited because I definitely want to do a review on that. I'll leave my collabs playlist to watch previous collabs. And if you're visiting from any of the channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Before we dive in, another video filmed with the hair down. I did get a couple of new curly hair products, and the one that really helped, and I was obsessed with the curls last night when the air dried, and then I went to sleep, and then I tried to rejuvenate them for this video, and I have to give credit where credit is due because my girl Jackie Naturals recommended using the Uncle Funky's curl enhancer. It definitely did some enhancing on my hair. I did use the Aveda product that I have been using as well, and I think the two did a really nice combination. There is little frizz right now. I even took some frizz balm just to make sure my hair wouldn't frizz up that bad during filming, and then I added a little bit of texturing spray to help rejuvenate the curls. Just wanted to give a quick hair update before we dive into the look. I already have my foundation blended out. I use the NYX Born to Glow. I have my brows filled in with the Brow Gal, and then I have my Urban Decay Potion Primer on the eyes. To kick off this look, we're gonna start with the shade Mood, and I'm thinking I'm going to draw Destiny on this eye and Hank on this eye. I think for her mouth, I'm gonna take Guilty. And then just to give her tongue a little bit of dimension, I think I'm gonna go in with Funky. Next we're gonna take Mooney and we're gonna fill in the remainder sections of Destiny with this shade. Dipping into Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag, I'm going to take Shady to give her a pupil in her eye. And there's Destiny. Now let's try Hank. Get to use my favorite color for Hank. We're going to take Lit. I'm going to take the shade Keen for the under part of his tentacle. I don't know, maybe I'll go back into Mooney. That's the shade that we took on Destiny to, I don't know if this is gonna even show up. For little suctions on the tentacles. I know it only looks weird drawing 2 of his tentacles. There's just too many. And then going back into Lunar Beauty, we're gonna go into Shady to give him some eyes. I'm gonna take my Tarte Tartiste Pro Glow palette to add some bronze, blush, and highlight. To complete the look, I'm going to take the ColourPop Bullet Lipstick in the shade On Display. And here we have the final look. I really liked how Destiny came out. She came out super cute. Hank was a lot harder than I thought with his tentacles, and there was no way I could add a bunch of others, so I just added one hangover and one underneath. But after doing some cleaning up and figuring out the tentacles, I think he came out really cute too. He kind of looks sad with the eye placement. I would love to know which characters you would like to see next for a Disney inspired look, and would you do the approach like I did and try to draw the characters, or would you do colorful looks inspired by the characters? Don't forget to check out everyone else's looks. There will be a link to the playlist in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.